Write a query to get the reporting structure of employees in sales department to the managers. See the expected output below. The first column is saying what? These are the employees, these two guys, and the managers. This is the vice president. He reports to nobody, as you can see from this place. But this guy, the manager, which is the sales manager, reports, as you can see here, reports to what? The vice president. This type of scenario is for self-join, and everything is what? In employees table. Let's see. If I run this, I will have this. This is employee ID. This is their names, including the sales manager, and the ID is 5, and the VP, which is this. And you see that this Nasi is reported to 2, means reports to what? The vice president. Fuller Andrew himself, which is the vice president, reports to who? Nobody. Null. Okay. Then we have like Janet, who is also a sales representative, reports to who? Number 3 reports to who? Reports to 2. The same Fuller. Let's go down. Like this Michael, which is number 6, reports to who? If I click on this line, let's see, reports to 5. And that person is what? The sales manager. The way you should look at it now is, this is a table. And if you remove these columns, then attach it to this column is another table. Let's see. What I mean is, you find what I've done here is, I took the names with the ID, which is the names, these names with this ID. Okay. Then I took the last ID, which is report to ID. I took this column with these names for this line. When I run this, I have this. Now I have 2 tables now. That is this table. Name are the IDs, and what? Reports to and names. If you have gone through the class or the video on inner join, you find that I explained something about, if we pick only this and this now, we take this and this. Let me expand it. That between, we are going to join between employee ID and reports to. In this table, in this left side table and the right side table, here for 1 is Nasi. Here it is what? Nasi 2 for 2. For the report to here too is 2, but we know that in this place is 3. So the joining now will be between, it's going to be like this, like this. Means all of them are reported to, these ones are reported to this guy. Okay. Then if you check the other way around, for this 5, these ones are reported to 5. Okay. Now, if we move further, if we move to this place now, that's what I've done now. What I just did here, just to show you how this thing works. If I run this now, you find out at the end of the day, we have all these ones, then separated from these ones. So, but in the actual result, which is the expected result, the numbers are not shown, but the name represents what the numbers means. Aside the name, we want to know the title. See, a comma before title. The in between is okay. Like this guy, Suyama Michael, sales representative, reports to Bertrand Steve, who is what? A sales manager, and so on and so forth. So in our construction, we have to do similar thing. The final result is okay. The first name is concatenated with this, but we have to know that this one is coming from the first table in the table, which is what? This side of the table, this left side of the table. This one is our what? E. This is what? The manager side, M. So this E table versus M table. If we come in and find out what? The E table, which is the left side, and its title, that is why we're putting this one, this for space, this the first name, they will put a comma, there another space, they will put this one, which is what? The title. The header is this, it says department. On the manager side, we'll put M, which is the right side, M, to get their two names. They will also put the title. They will put this. Where are they coming from? It's from the employees table, the E side. In adjoin with what? Employees table, the M side. On what ground? On the ground that the M, which is the employee ID, is equals to the report to. Okay, look at it. The employees, okay, before the managers. So what I will do, I will drop this for you to look at it very well. If I go to terminal and drop this, I have exactly the same thing. Okay, hope you understand this. I will drop the code for you. Look at it very well. If you understand this, you can do any type of what? Self-join. The basis is this same column is repeated here, but given a different name. Pick two IDs they are reported to. Whoever that's not going to report to anybody, put no for it. With this, you can do the joining.